InCord is North America's largest netting fabricator. We provide safety netting solutions for practically any application. Our company started in East Haddam, Connecticut, but in 2006 we moved to our current headquarters in Colchester, Connecticut. In 1995, co-founders and current co-owners, Bob Martin and Ed Ritz, shared a vision of a better netting company. Their 55 years of combined knowledge and understanding and experience of this industry has taken our company from 4 individuals to over 60 netting professionals today. As a fabricator of the product, we don't actually make the raw materials that go into it, but we again fabricate it into the finished good and the finished material that our customers are looking for. So we will take the netting and cut it, sew it, add borders, and customize it 100% to the customer's needs. One of the shining stars at InCord is our inventory position. At any given moment, right now, we have over 4 million square feet of netting product in stock. And it comes in 65 different variations.
To the best of my knowledge, that is more inventory than any netting fabricator in North America has.
So with that product and that amount of inventory, we are the go-to, the turn-to shop for our customers to find what they're looking for in the quickest and shortest amount of time.
We also have a very long-lasting relationship with one of the largest manufacturers of netting in Europe, Manfred Huck, located in Germany. We are the only distributor of their netting product in the United States. We have a direct supply chain with Manfred Huck, who has thousands upon thousands of bales of ready material on the shelf. I don't believe that there is anyone else around the globe that has such a unique connection that can respond in this amount of time, have that much available inventory, have a production staff that is this well trained, that has been with us so long, that is so knowledgeable about their finished product, than InCord. 90% of the netting product, the raw netting product that we bring in, is through our vendor, Manfred Huck. We have investigated, and there are no other manufacturers who are producing a netting to this standard. It is an extruded fiber, high tenacity polypropylene that has the highest UV rating in the industry. InCord as a business has invested significantly in better tools, top of the line. We have purchased Barashi machines for sewing that are the Ferrari of the industry. Amazing pieces of equipment. From that same company, we also purchased a rope cutting machine. We'll cut hundreds and hundreds of lengths of rope in a matter of minutes or hours. By making this investment, by bringing these specific tools in, it provides our employees here at InCord the opportunity to be thinking more about the finished product. Instead of being stuck in a redundant task, they're able to spend more time on reviewing drawings, looking at details, and making sure that they've captured every nuance that the customer has asked us to provide for them. It gives them breathing room for creativity. InCord is ISO 9001 certified, as is Manfred Huck and most of our other primary vendors.
ISO 9001 stands for International Organization for Standardization. It outlines and details every operation and every piece of that operation from start to finish. So for example, we have the standards and the procedures set up and in place that document exactly how we accept a phone call, how we transact an order with a customer, and if there was ever an issue that was to come up or a problem that was to arise, we have a footprint, if you will, or a roadmap to follow to correct that. And what this turns into is a complete 100% satisfactory experience for the customer.
We set the bar, and then we record that in our ISO documents. The goal is to always be improving and lifting that bar.
A main reason for the success of InCord is the fact that we deal in so many different markets, and we understand so many of these different markets. Presently, we deal in amusement, bay nets, which is pit and oil lube maintenance facility type nets, construction netting, industrial netting, and sports netting. One of the things, again, that makes us a little bit different is our salespeople are dedicated to those particular markets. For example, we have 6 dedicated direct outside salesperson. The area of marketing materials is very important to us, so we provide practically everything the customer will ever need when they experience a need for netting. When we talk about being 100% custom, every product that we make is specifically designed for that customer, for that application, and for that job site. So we have to get it 100% right 100% of the time. Being a fabricator, it allows us to use different colors. It allows us to use different grades of nets. It allows us to use different sizes of net. And it allows, a creative vision to take place and to be incorporated into this customer's nets. So they could come at us and say, could I incorporate that color? Could I use a different style of rope? Can I use a different style of an edging material? And since we're a 100% custom shop, we can do all of that. So in the end, what we actually give the customer is not only the safety net that they need, but the vision that they were thinking about as well. We recently had a very challenging request from one of our water park customers. This customer was looking for 22 highly specialized and customized cargo climb nets. And what we had to do was actually completely rearrange our organization and our production methods to make sure we could hit that deadline in that time limit. This allowed us to produce these products much quicker and allow that customer to open their exhibit much sooner than expected.
We have a unique relationship with Connecticut Science Center here in Hartford, Connecticut. We were asked to come in and provide them a netting solution for their stair rail, and what we installed is visible for 4 stories. Because the first project with Connecticut Science Center was in fact so uniquely successful, they have now come back to us for 3 additional projects. The second project that we did for Connecticut Science Center was to remedy a problem they were having in their forces in motion display. They have a manual ball throwing system. Occasionally there was a ball that would be misfired and it would end up off trajectory and cause other problems with balls being returned to the correct location. Connecticut Science Center asked us to come to their facility, review the problem, and help them find a solution. We designed a funneling system with the netting. We went to the facility, measured, designed, drew, and then installed a fabricated system for them that would work to solve this one problem. We also incorporated a Velcro door, so one person on their maintenance staff could easily open the Velcro, reach in, and remove the ball that had misfired, so there were no future issues with the next shot. And what is remarkable is for all of the planning, all of the work, and all of the netting that was installed, when you step away from the project, it is invisible to the guests who are in the museum. They see all of the action and the colored balls and all the firing and all of the activity in the air, but the netting to them is invisible. It's there to protect you or to protect someone or to protect something, but it's not meant to block your experience in the environment.